Every driver wants to transform their vehicle into a more capable, organized, and comfortable space. Whether it is a daily commute, a weekend adventure, or a cross-country road trip, the right gear makes all the difference. This review explores 7 incredible products designed to do exactly that, elevating your driving experience from ordinary to exceptional. From practical organization to critical recovery and ultimate comfort, we have found essentials you will want to know about. Check all product links are in the description. Let us start it. Number 1. FBJTDQ Carbon Fiber License Plate Frames. Do you want a simple, affordable upgrade that gives your vehicle a sharper, more finished look right away? These license plate frames are a perfect starting point. The 2-pack includes everything needed for both the front and rear plates, featuring a sleek carbon fiber design printed on durable black plastic. They are not just for show. They provide a neat border that protects your plate from bending at the edges and gives a tailored appearance that many factory plates lack. Installation is straightforward with the included screws and matching caps that give a clean, professional appearance by hiding the screw heads. An added bonus is the set of door handle stickers also included, offering a touch of coordinated style and a bit of practical protection against fingernail scratches and everyday wear. This kit addresses those small, often overlooked details that can make a car feel more personalized and cared for. It is an instant aesthetic lift without a complicated process or a large investment, proving that sometimes the smallest additions have a surprisingly significant impact on your car's overall presentation and your pride of ownership. For a minimal cost and effort, you achieve a cleaner, more deliberate look. Number 2. AXSIPEIX Kinetic Recovery Kit. What is the most important piece of equipment for an off-road enthusiast that they hope to never use? A reliable recovery rope. This specific Kinetic recovery kit is engineered for serious, safe vehicle recovery where traditional toe straps could fail. Its core function is its 35% high elasticity, which allows it to stretch and create a pulling motion that is much smoother and less jarring than a static line, absorbing energy like a giant rubber band. This gentle, dynamic pull is far safer for both vehicles and their occupants during a stuck situation, reducing the risk of damage from sudden shock loads. The kit is remarkably robust with a 48,500-pound brake strength and a working load limit of 16,166 pounds, and includes 2 soft shackles, creating a complete recovery solution ready for use. The deep blue rope is also reflective, adding a critical layer of visibility for safety during early morning, late evening, or nighttime recoveries. For anyone venturing off the paved path, this represents not just a tool, but a vital insurance policy. It empowers drivers to explore with greater confidence, knowing they have a professional-grade solution designed to handle tough situations effectively and protect their valuable vehicle. Number 3. Hotor Foldable Trunk Organizer. Is the trunk of your car a chaotic space where groceries, gear, and emergency supplies tumble together with every turn? This organizer brings immediate order. Crafted from sturdy, durable materials, it features 2 main compartments and a clever fold-flot design. When not needed, it collapses easily for compact storage, but when unfolded, its rigid structure holds shape perfectly to contain all your items and prevent them from shifting during travel. Measuring 21.3 inches by 12.6 inches by 10.6 inches, it fits well in most sedan trunks or SUV cargo areas, acting as a steadfast barrier against clutter. It is ideal for separating groceries, securing cleaning supplies, organizing tools, or keeping road trip essentials like jumper cables and first aid kits within reach ease. This block fabric is also easy to wipe clean after carrying messy items. This organizer transforms your cargo area from a messy pit into a managed storage space, saving time and frustration by ensuring everything has a designated spot and remains exactly where you placed it, turning a chore into a simple, organized routine. Number 4. BougeRV 12-volt Portable Refrigerator. Why compromise with a standard cooler when you can have precise, consistent cooling power on the go? This 30-quart portable refrigerator is a game changer for long trips, camping, or even day-long events. Utilizing an efficient compressor system, it functions as both a fridge and a freezer, capable of cooling contents to as low as -8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is cold enough to keep ice cream solid. It operates seamlessly on 12-volt or 24-volt vehicle power and also plugs into a standard 110 to 240-volt AC outlet, making it incredibly versatile for use in your car, truck, RV, or even at home in a garage or patio. The 30-quart capacity is ample for drinks, perishable foods, and more, all maintained at your chosen temperature without the mess of ice and water. This unit offers the true convenience of a home appliance wherever your travels take you. It preserves food safely, provides access to cold drinks, and ultimately enhances any journey by removing the limitations and hassle associated with traditional ice coolers, granting you freedom and better provisions on the road. Number 5. Lasfit All-Weather Floor Liner Set. How can you protect your vehicle's interior from the relentless mess of daily life, from muddy shoes to spilled coffee? This custom-fitted liner set provides comprehensive coverage. Designed specifically for the Honda CR-V models, including gasoline, hybrid, and fuel cell variants, it includes mats for the first row, second row, and the cargo area in a durable, easy-to-clean TPE material that is also odorless. The precise fit ensures complete protection for the carpet underneath, with high raised edges that trap and contain liquids, dirt, sand, and snow, preventing spills from soaking into the factory flooring. Unlike generic mats, these are engineered to stay in place without curling or sliding, offering a clean, professional look that matches the vehicle's exact contours. For any CR-V owner, this set is a practical investment in preserving the vehicle's resale value and interior cleanliness. It handles the messes of pets, children, hobbies, and weather with ease, making cleanup a simple task of removing the liners and rinsing them off, ensuring your vehicle's interior always looks well maintained. Number 6. Lamicall Adjustable Headrest Tablet Holder. Are you looking for a way to keep backseat passengers entertained and quiet during long drives? This 3-in-1 extension arm tablet holder is a brilliant solution. It securely mounts between the front headrest posts, providing a stable platform for devices without requiring adhesives or complex installation. The adjustable arms and versatile head allow for a wide range of positioning, catering to different viewing angles and heights for kids or adults. Number 7. Ciremiv Inflatable Car Bed with Accessories. What if you could turn your SUV or minivan into a comfortable sleeping quarters within minutes? This inflatable car bed system is designed for exactly that purpose. More than just an air mattress, it's a complete kit featuring a built-in pillow, a pump, and a design that contours to the folded rear seating area of many vehicles, creating a largely flat and supportive sleeping surface. The material is designed to be durable, leak-proof, and comfortable, ensuring a reliable night's sleep while being resistant to punctures. It creates a level, cushioned surface that is far superior to trying to sleep across uneven seat backs and gaps. Ideal for camping, road trips, tailgating, or unexpected situations where a rest area nap is needed, it offers remarkable versatility and comfort. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. It really helps support our channel. For more reviews and useful guides, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.